Welcome to the brand new episode of HT Tech, where we are going to talk about how do I record with this noise always in the... Okay, let's record now. Welcome to the latest edition of HT Tech, wherein we are going to talk about Now, how do I record a video with this kind of a noise behind me? Well, if this is something even you struggle with, all the vloggers, voiceover artists and podcasters out there, this video is for you, because in today's video, we are going to talk about 5 tools that can enhance your audio, give you modulation and everything that one needs with an audio to be done. Now, let's get inside this video and talk about the 5 apps that are going to change your audio game.
Before we dive into the apps, let's talk about the audio revolution. Podcasts, vlogs, and voiceovers have exploded in popularity, and your voice deserves the best treatment. These apps are here to help. Our first contender is Audacity, a free and open source audio editing software. It's a powerhouse for both beginners and pros. You can record, edit, and enhance your audio effortlessly. From noise reduction to equalization, Audacity offers a wide range of tools. Plus, it supports various audio formats, making it incredibly versatile. Next up, we have Adobe Audition. If you're into professional grade editing, this is your go-to. It's packed with features for the ultimate audio experience. You can clean up audio, apply effects, and even use its audio ducking feature to balance music and voice effortlessly. It's like having a personal audio engineer. For our Mac users, GarageBand is a gem. It comes pre-installed in your Mac and it's incredibly user-friendly. You'll be creating studio-quality audio in no time. Whether you're a musician or a podcaster, GarageBand offers an array of virtual instruments and effects. It's a one-stop solution for audio creation. Now, let's talk about Voice Boost. This app is designed for mobile creators who want professional audio on the go. It's available on both iOS and Android. Voice Boost offers real-time audio processing, noise reduction, and even voice modulation. You can record, edit, and enhance your audio anywhere, anytime. Last but not least, we have Soundtrap by Spotify. This web-based platform is perfect for collaborative audio projects. It's like having a virtual studio in your browser. With Soundtrap, you can record, edit, and collaborate with others in real time. It's perfect for musicians and podcasters who want to create together no matter where they are. There you have it, our top 5 audio enhancing apps that can transform your voice into a studio quality marvel, whether you're a beginner or a pro. These apps have something for everyone. Remember, your content deserves the best audio treatment. So go ahead, try out these apps and let your voice shine. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow creators. And if you've got other fantastic apps in your mind or topics you'd like us to explore, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating amazing content with the power of top-notch audio.